Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Afese, and in this video I'll be showing you how to draw your eyebrows. Yes, you need to know this. So to start, I would like to introduce you to the brushes I'll be using. First of all, we need a spoolie, a clean brush to apply concealer, and a fluffy brush to clean up the excess concealer. So this is my concealer and my eyebrow pencil I'm using. So here's the spoolie. I'm just using it to brush my eyebrows, and I picked up some gel with it to make sure the eyebrows stay on one place and just freeze. Now I use some powder to pad my eye areas. Sometimes you try to draw your eyebrows and you're not getting it because the pencil can't even draw. The area around the brows is actually oily. So that is why I usually use powder to pad on it before I start to draw. So I'm using Catrice Cosmetic eyebrow pencil. I got it from a drugstore. So this is me drawing my eyebrows. The pencil should be sharp so you can get this line right. If the pencil is not sharp, it's just going to rub all over the place. So when my pencil is still sharp, I like to just draw it and just finish up before the pencil starts to get blunt. While it's blunt, I can now just fill in with. That doesn't matter, but to create the sharp two lines, the pencil should be well sharpened. So this is me filling it now, and then I use a spoolie to just soften out that area to make it look more natural. This area close to my nose line, I brush it with the spoolie, and now it looks quite soft. And yeah, look at that. So let's go ahead and draw the other side. If you didn't get it from the first one, you can always pick it up as I do the second one. So I'm drawing my left brow. The left brow is usually a problem for most people, but if your pencil is sharp, you will get it right. So just draw it slowly, take it up, create the arch, and then you bring it downward or outward. It depends on the shape you want. So now I double the line, and then next I will go in to fill it. So that is just a simple trick you need to know when doing your eyebrows. Your pencil should be sharp, and also the eyebrows should be groomed, because again, if your eyebrows are not properly groomed, it's a bit difficult to get that shape, except you want to maintain your eyebrows naturally the way they are. So you just use gel and brush them with, and just fill in the areas that are empty. That will also go for you. But if you want this particular shape, then you must groom your eyebrows to follow this shape. Then I go in with concealer to clean my brows. I'm using Essence concealer, so I'm just using it to clean. You see, if you draw properly, it will also be easy to clean with concealer. So this is me cleaning with concealer now, and it's very easy since I already drew it well. And then now I will use a clean fluffy brush to blend in the concealer at once, because when you wait and you leave it for long, it will get dry before you finish doing it. To blend in the excess concealer will be a bit difficult. So I'm going in now to clean this other side of the brow. It's just the same thing, just that the left gives some people a bit of problem, but if you do your eyebrows regularly like me, it won't be a problem to you. And now the inner corner, I like to use my foundation, so by the time I'm blending in my foundation, it should be even and just match with that area. So actually, when I do brows, I want them to be highlighted just on the arch. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, see you. Bye.